So first time digital electronics title is a pulse mode circuit. The pulse mode circuit on competition students will be able to explain why pulse mode circuit is needed. So how to solve the problems in the pulse mode circuit. So a signal not only carries the information but it's not a representation of the conditions of the circuit. The function of the any circuit can be studies the signal it produces. Hence we will start the tutorial with a brief introduction of the signals. The electronic signal is similar to normal signal we come across which indicates something or which informs about something. The graphical representation of the electronic signal gives information regarding the periodical changes in the parameters of the such as amplitude and phase of the signal. It also provides the information regarding the voltage, frequency, time period, etc. This is the representation brings some shape to the information conveyed or to the signal received. Such a shape of the signal when the formed according to certain variation can be given different names such as sinusoidal signal, triangular signal, sawtooth signal and square wave signal. The pulse mode circuit, the signals are mainly of the two types of named as unidirectional, bidirectional signal. Unidirectional signal, the signal when flows only one direction which either positive or negative. Such a signal is termed as a unidirectional signal. But example is a pulse signal. Bidirectional signal, the signal when alters the both positive and negative direction crossing the 0 point. Such signal is termed as bidirectional signal. It's a sinusoidal signal. It's a pulse mode train is a pulse mode circuit. The pulse shape is formed by a rapid and sudden transient change from baseline value to the higher or lower level value, which returns to the same baseline value and is a certain time period. Such a signal can be termed as a pulse signal. The following instruction shows a series of the pulses. The pulses signal is a unidirectional non-sinusoidal signal, so which is similar to a square wave signal, and but is not a symmetrical like that is a square wave. A series continuous pulse signals is simply called as a pulse train. A train of the pulses indicate the sudden high level and the sudden low level transition from the baseline level, which can be understood to the on-off respectively. Hence, the pulse signal indicates on of the signal. So if an electronic switch is given to the pulse input, it gets the on off according to the pulse signal given. The switches which produce a pulse signal can be discussed later. So pulse width means so length of the pulse. Okay, different terms are discussed here. So period of waveform measurement from any point of this cycle, the same point of the next cycle. Duty cycle, so ratio of the pulse width up to the period. Rise time means the time takes to rise from 10% to 90%. Fall time means time signal takes to fall from 90% to 10%. Overshoot means that we occurred when leading edge of a waveform exceeds the normal maximum value. Undershoot means said to be occurred when the trailing edge of the waveform exceeds the normal maximum value. Ringing, both undershoot and overshoot are followed by name oscillation known as ringing. Circuits. So quiz question: pulse mode circuit. Why pulse mode circuit need a circuit? So its pulse mode circuit is a digital signal. So it's a used to data is given. So it's not altering one. So how to solve the problems? The problems are solved in the next videos. So thank you very much.